guys, welcome back to Minute Watch, and this is my buddy's Seiko Sea Monster. And just like the title implies, there's a rattling noise coming from the inside, and he contacted me to see if I knew what it was. I told him, yeah, I'll check it out. So I went down the street and picked it up. Well, not down the street, but like about 8 minutes away. So yeah, I don't do this for a living, guys. This is just for my friends. But I figured I'd make a video about it anyway because I need content. So I'm not gonna shake it because I don't want to damage it anymore. But he says when he has it on his winder, it makes these weird grinding noises, and if you do shake it, you can hear it. I've verified it. So let's take it apart. I have already loosened it with me caseback remover tool and the block of justice. These are good to have. They're very, very handy. But now I'm going to use a ball of justice to get the job done, and we're gonna undo the case very carefully. It is so the dirty, people. We got so many skin particle around the case back. So many gross things. Oh my gosh, that is the grossness. Okay, so let's see what's making that possible. Oh, what is that? I don't really know. I'm gonna do some investigating. Hey, let me just focus. Sorry, I wasn't looking at the camera. But yeah, it's catching on something. I'm gonna do some investigating, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back, and what I found was that the rotor, the center screw for the rotor, was not quite on there good. That little center part there, it was just kind of making the rotor flap around, but now it is nice and quiet. So I just got a screwdriver, a little small screwdriver, and I just screwed that down a little bit more. So let's see, will that hold? I hope so, but I tried to screw it down as tightly as I could and without damaging anything, and it seems to be good. I spun it around many times and it seems to be good. So let's put the thing back on. The gasket is on there. Got some skin particles, so many gross skin particles. Should have washed it first. Alright, using the ball of justice, and then we'll just give it a couple of hard turns with the... Alright, and now let's give it a shake. Oh wait. No rattling noises, yeah. So, well, quick and dirty, that's this video. Real quick and dirty. Thanks for watching.